HP 24mh FHD monitor, computer monitor with 23.8-inch IPS display, 1080p, built-in speakers and VESA mounting, height, tilt adjustment for ergonomic viewing, HDMI and DisplayPort. First of all, it was delivered within 2 days for normal membership. It's a new product and there isn't much review anywhere. But I was tempted to buy for 2 reasons. One, for height adjustment, and second, it can tilt vertically. My main purpose is for home office, so I don't mind the refresh rate, but it does come with 75 Hz. The speakers are decent enough. It comes with HDMI cable and an audio cable for aux. For little over $100, this is excellent monitor. After 6 months of working in quarantine on a laptop, I had to break down and buy a monitor. I have an HP EliteBook and this monitor seemed similar to what we use at the office, so I ordered it. I can't tell you how easy it was to set up right out of the box. It has built-in speakers and the HDMI cord plugs right into my laptop. Now I can use the monitor as my main screen and the laptop as my secondary screen, if needed. But honestly, this monitor is so big I don't even know what to do with all the screen space I have now. At this price, I'm going to gift one to my direct report so she can benefit from having a larger screen. Do yourself a favor and buy this monitor for your home. You will be so glad you did. Amazing monitor speakers are great, sounds good using for extra console gaming monitor. Everything is amazing colors, brightness, nice and sharp, 1080p, very cool, easy to lift and tilt. I highly recommend. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews. I am just playing on console and can't take advantage of 75Hz, but it seems to only to be 60 Hz. Nowhere on the box or monitor it says 75 Hz anywhere, not as advertised, or else I'd give it full 5 stars. I will be keeping it for sure, well worth the money. Great value for your money. Bought 2 for my office. The monitor goes up, down, tilts backward and forward. You actually can turn the screen to a vertical position, which also makes it super easy to plug into your HDMI or DisplayPort. Also, someone wrote there are no speakers, which I found that review to be confusing. My monitors have internal speakers and they work just fine. Curtis Poole. I like it. The HP 24mh monitor is phenomenally good for its price, especially when it was on sale for $109 when I got it. For the price, you get a 75 Hz refresh rate, which is very rare on such a cheap monitor, and the ability to connect to a DisplayPort cable, which allows you to daisy chain multiple monitors, allowing for less cable clutter, with the addition of HDMI. It is also a good addition as a secondary monitor. Overall, I highly recommend this to anyone who is in need of a cheap but good quality monitor. These monitors rock for the price, you simply cannot beat it. They look slim, modern, and clean to say the least. Not only that, the displays have amazing resolution. If you are deciding between brands, you can't go wrong with HP. Another cool feature is you can adjust the display however you like. They can tilt any which way and can even go vertical. 100% satisfied with this decision. Thank you. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews. Awesome low budget monitors. Not best quality, but if all you need is real more estate, this is it. I will be buying 4 more. Some people said it's not 75Hz and had no speakers. I had to change it to 75Hz in settings, but it worked just fine for me, and it has speakers, not the best but they're usable. Pros. 1. Can pivot to be a vertical screen. 2. Adjustable height. Cons. 1. Large monitor base. 2. Some minor scuffs on the silver part of the monitor. Clear picture and easy installation. Absolutely nothing wrong with these monitors. They are great, especially for office environment like I needed. Highly recommend. I bought 3 of them, as you can see by the picture. There's nothing like having 3 monitors. Great budget full HD monitor with DisplayPort, HDMI and VGA ports. Can rotate, clockwise, to portrait mode, height adjustable and can tilt. Love that it doesn't have a power brick. 110 to 220 volt. The 4th of October 2020 update. Bought another one and just installed today to an older PC that have DVI via DVI HDMI adapter, and used the audio cable provided, PC audio out to monitor audio in. By default, the analog audio is not enabled, so you have to go into the monitor's menu, navigate to management to audio and check the box next to the analog audio for the speakers to work. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews.